So here's my Parks seeds haul. 10 packets for $10, essentially $1 each. So I got some Mother of Time. I got some Parks Black Peony. Thought I'd try something different, kind of step outside my comfort zone. I got some Black Magic Kale. It's kind of a smaller baby kale, if you will. I got some more organic dill. And
you need to subscribe.
Some pineapple tomato. Cinnamon basil, that's definitely about to get planted. I got lemon basil, I got sweet basil, I got honeydew melon sage, I got pineapple sage, and now I have cinnamon basil. Complete my herb garden. Some tiger eye to marigolds, some dulce fresca, fresh basil, kind of a large leaf fresh basil. Some Greek oregano, that's about to get planted as well. Pepper blend, we'll plant some of those as well. So Park seeds, it was 10 packs for $10, and check them out when you get a chance.